As the battle between Rhea Chakraborty and Sushant Singh Rajput's family continues, Priyanka and Meetu Singh, Sushant's sisters, have issued a rejoinder to actor Rhea Chakraborty's reply to their petition to squash an FIR against them. प्रियंका और मीतू का कहना है कि उन पे लगाए गए इल्जाम बेबुनियाद हैं और रिया ने उनसे बदला लेने के लिए ये केस फाइल किया है। Rhea was named as the main accused by Sushant's family, who alleged that Rhea cheated Sushant and even harassed him mentally and financially, abetting his demise. Rhea also spent a month in jail under the charges of obtaining and consuming banned substances with Sushant. Rhea, who left Sushant's home a week before his demise, has filed an FIR against Sushant's sisters, Priyanka and Meetu, after chats surfaced which implied that Priyanka possibly recommended certain medications to Sushant, who was allegedly battling multiple health conditions. In her FIR, Rhea has accused Sushant's sisters of illegally obtaining medicines for Sushant using a forged prescription. According to Rhea, these medications should not have been given to Sushant without a doctor examining the actor and understanding his history of mental health concerns. Rhea's lawyer Satish Manishinde ने reportedly एक statement में कहा है that the chats between Priyanka and Sushant on 8th June this year, where she speaks of obtaining a prescription for him and suggests the names of medicines for specific mental health conditions, इस बात को प्रूव करता है कि सुशांत की फैमिली ये जानती थी कि वो मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज के लिए ट्रीटमेंट ले रहे थे। Mr. Manishinde has also accused Priyanka and Meetu of obtaining medicines in a wrongful manner for their brother in spite of knowing his fragile condition. According to Mr. Manishinde, Sushant अपने डिमाइस से पहले 5 अलग डॉक्टर्स को कंसल्ट कर रहे थे, who had recommended that he avoid consuming banned substances. रिया ने भी उन्हें रिक्वेस्ट किया था कि वो डॉक्टर्स की बात को माने, लेकिन जब उन्होंने इनकार कर दिया और रिया को घर छोड़ने के लिए कहा, she left as per the late actor's wishes. While Rhea has been aggressively pursuing the case against Sushant's sisters, Priyanka और मीतू ने अपने डिफेंस में कहा है that ये पूरा केस unfounded allegations, unsubstantiated facts, speculations and a misleading complaint पे based है. According to the two, Rhea ने ये FIR उनसे vengeance लेने के लिए फाइल किया है and also alleged that she is harassing them with preposterous allegations because of a personal grudge. This case has taken a really bitter and unfortunate turn indeed, and the deep misunderstandings between Rhea and Sushant's family and their deep mistrust of each other has become very evident over the past 4 months.